Hello, this is a quick video overview of the Towntronix Thorlite TT TF02. If you'd like to see a full review, you can check out a link in the description below. So the TF02 is a new light by Towntronix. You can see it's a single 18650 size light. It's a little bit longer than about the average in its class, about the same diameter of head. A lot of that extra length comes from the depth of the reflector here, so it's a fairly deep reflector. It's just a slight bit of texturing, so the beam is fairly focused but not extremely so a little bit more on the throw side of throw versus flood. And it's also got a fairly large heat sink here at the base of the reflector and emitter, so that's where a lot of the extra length in the light comes from. You can see the style of the light is just a little different than a lot of average flashlights. It's got some both silver and black coloring to just give it some good style there, and you can see it close up, just some interesting patterns. It's got a removable clip here. This clips on and off, and the light is controlled by a single switch here at the tail cap. So to turn the light on, you can do a momentary on by pressing the button about halfway, and the light will turn on while you have it pressed and off again as soon as you release. The light changes its brightness levels every time you turn the light on and off and then back on again fairly quickly, so you can just rotate through those levels by pressing the button repeatedly. It's got a high, a medium, and a low, and then it also has a few hidden modes. So when you're in the low, after about 5 seconds it does that flash, and if you turn it off and then back on, it activates the hidden modes. So now we have a strobe and an alarm mode, which is kind of an intermittent strobe, and a SOS, which are added to our main sequence. So now I'm cycling through with those hidden modes activated. If I want to turn those back off, I go to low again, wait about 5 seconds. There's low. It'll flash, I turn it off and back on, and now the hidden modes are gone. So if you want to take a look inside, you can see at the front there it's got a spring-loaded piston to make contact with the battery, so either button top or flat top cells will make a good contact with the terminal there, and it's got that same spring-loaded piston at the bottom, so the battery will be well protected from impact. Again, this has been a quick video overview of the Thorlite TT TF02. If you'd like to see the full review, just check out the link in the description below.